guys, welcome back to Lane4Lation. This is Jovita here, and today's video is going to be how to sanitize and disinfect your makeup products. And not everyone knows how to do this, so I thought I should make this video. And even I didn't know about this way until like some time back. All you need to sanitize your makeup products is rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol, and it's available in any medical stores. So it's not very expensive, so it comes in like a bottle like this. So this is like the large bottle. If you get like the small size sample bottles, I'm sure that will be even more cheaper. So this big bottle costs you around 95 rupees. It's got like different names like isopropyl alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and now it's also known as clinical spirit. So till now I didn't know that. So when I went to the medical store and I asked that person to give me rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol, he told me that he does not sell that product and it's only used in hospitals. But later on when I went to another medical store, he told me it's called clinical spirit, and clinical spirit is obviously sold in all medical stores. So why do you need to sanitize your makeup and why is it so important? Because obviously everyone needs to keep their makeup products clean. There's so much of bacteria growing on each and every product that you use, and if you share your products with someone else, then it might tend to create a lot of skin irritation, a lot of breakout on your face. It may also lead to a lot of skin problems, and it might damage your skin because there's so much of bacteria on those products. So if you want to keep your products clean and hygienic, you need to use this. Especially if you're a freelancer or a makeup artist, you reuse the same products on a lot of clients. You need to make sure that your products are nice and clean and hygienic and sanitized. So for that you need to use this rubbing alcohol. So what you do is basically you get these small spray bottles, travel bottles at any beauty store. So you could buy one or two of them and you could fill this liquid into that bottle, and then you can spray it all over your products. So I'm going to be showing you how you can sanitize and disinfect your makeup products. So if you want to know how to do it, then please keep watching. So I've put it in a bottle like this. This is like those travel spray bottles that I was talking about, and you can get these at any beauty stores. Keep it like a little away from your makeup and just spray the shiz out of everything. So once you've sprayed it, you have to let it dry for a bit, and you can use this on your eyeshadows, your cream products, your compact, your bronzers, and this is how it looks when it dries up, and your lipsticks of course. So you're going to do the same thing. You've got to spray them and let them dry for a bit, and then you can reuse them later on. So you can also use this on your lip liners. So what you have got to do is you have got to spray them and then sharpen them so that they are fresh and new. So the only products that you cannot sanitize using the rubbing alcohol are your mascaras and the lipsticks that come in these kind of bottles. What you can do is you can change their applicators or their wands by purchasing new ones from any beauty stores. So it's as simple as that. That's how you sanitize your makeup products and disinfect them. So if you guys found this video helpful, then please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel because I do make new videos every week. And also leave a comment in the comment section below letting me know what kind of videos you guys would want to watch next. And if you haven't watched my previous videos, then I'll leave the link somewhere here and also in the description box below. So please do go and check them out. So that was it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, peace and love. Bye.